Fine. This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets closed as expected. Number one, few things let me clarify. Earlier I told you that BJP is expected to win, or NDA is expected to win. So if they win, it is not a surprise. If they lose, it will become a surprise. So therefore, if NDA wins, the markets, it will go higher by maybe 100, 200 points, not more than that. There will be no significant rally. But at the same time, if NDA loses, the downside market can fall maybe 4 to 5%. So that's what I said. What happened today? The NDA has won. And they won with about 80% majority. But see, the market did not react. Until 3 p.m. market was trading in negative territory. Only after 3 p.m. There was some kind of a short covering in IT stocks like TCS, Infosys. So that took the market higher. And Nifty closed slightly positive. Nifty future is only about 15-20 points higher. The Nifty has moved slightly more. Because anyway, the Nifty future will have to merge with the Nifty in another 7 trading sessions. So that was one thing. The second thing I told you, expect the unexpected. So if something happens, something goes wrong, if NDA loses, market can fall drastically. We all have a portfolio. So I told you, as a portfolio hedging, I bought 25,500 put option and sold 25,200 put option to partly finance. The 25,500 put was bought for 10 rupees. 20 rupees. 25,200 put was sold for 10 rupees. So only 10 rupees I had to pay from my pocket. But see, yesterday night US market, fell like anything. GIFT Nifty was indicating about 100, 150 point down. In case if BJP has lost, then, that would have gone to 600, 700 point minus. So that would have given a good comfort because I was holding the buy put option. What has happened today because of volatility, intraday moves, so it was trading about 20 rupees only, the 25,500. And then, once the results came, there is a situation where, no matter how much, variations, last minute changes, NDA is not going to lose. NDA is going to win very, very firmly. And then market took this news and moved higher. The 25,500 put option came to 20 rupees. It went up to 30, 35 rupees, then came to 20 rupees. So I exited with no loss, no profit. But, if I had not done this, yesterday night or today, if BJP had not won, the problem would have been much bigger. However, the 25,200 put option, by that time, it has come to 5-6 rupees. So close that also. In fact, in this process, I made 4-5 rupees profit. But now my portfolio is very, very safe. Now, the NDA has come back with a huge majority. So, at least for another 3 years until 2029, there is no question of political instability. So we are going to have a stable government for the next 3 to 4 years. So, who knows? Even the FIIs may change their mind. So they may start buying after this event. After this event, at least for another 1.5 years, there are no other events. And maybe in 2027, Uttar Pradesh state election will come. So that will become an event. And then after that, in the same year, Gujarat state election will also come. So that will also be watched keenly for the political stability for the remaining part. So at least for next 1 year, so no need to worry about the political stability. So it's going to be a strong central government. So this is the second story. Now, though like BJP won with a very good majority, like I expected Nifty to go and test 26,100 in case BJP wins. So because of that, I had some call ratio also. So I bought some 25,800 call and then sold 26,100 call to finance that. No, so I was expecting, in case market goes higher, it will be good. But on the other hand, though we have a very good local cues, but the global cues have become very, very bad. So US market fell because of that. IT stocks came under a strong selling pressure. So because of that, market did not go. If you will, in fact, the market turned positive only in the last half an hour. I think yesterday, I think post 130, there was one sell-off that brought the Nifty down by 150 points. And today, post 2:30 or 3 o'clock, there was a spike, that took the Nifty up by about 150 points. So markets are just too volatile. But one good thing is that markets are still 25,500 to 26,100. So that is the range for this entire November series. So the markets are still trading in that range only. 25,500 was broken 2 times, but I think only on intraday it broke, but closing basis it came back to 25,500, I think. Or even if you take another 100, 200 point, you can say 25,300 to 26,100. So markets are volatile, but range bound market for the entire November series. So now the most important event of the November series is over. Now we may be looking at FII data, looking at the global cues and other things. So maybe next 1.5 months may be very, very interesting. So the bulls are hoping that 26,100 will be taken out by the end of this month, and all-time high may be end of December. So this is the bulls' expectation. But today we had a very good local queue, but we had a very bad global queue. So because of that, it balanced out actually. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.